Here are the top 10 Termux tools trending in 2026 for Facebook hacking, what they do, and what you need to know. We'll break down how each tool works and what to expect. Let's get started. FBH4CK is a Python-based password cracking simulator targeting Facebook's mobile login endpoints. It tests password complexity, tries common weak passwords, and simulates brute force attacks on authorized lab accounts. FBH4K exposes reused passwords, dictionary words, and credentials leaked in breaches. FaceBash is a shell script brute forcer that uses Tor to mask IPs during Facebook login attacks. Users run custom word lists, but attacks are slower due to Tor. FaceBash cannot bypass two-factor authentication or device recognition. It's mainly used to test rate limiting, lockouts, and detection in authentication systems. OSINT-FB collects public Facebook information, profile metadata, public posts, friends, and interests without logging in. Even with privacy settings, profile pictures, cover photos, and friends lists can be accessed. Use the View As feature and limit what's public to protect your info from tools like OSINT-FB. FB Brute Checker is a fast tool that tests Facebook logins using leaked credentials from data breaches. It checks large lists of email and password combinations in bulk, targeting accounts with reused passwords. The tool automates thousands of login attempts per minute to find accounts with unchanged credentials. FB Brute Checker is used in authorized tests to identify and fix password reuse risks. FB Clone creates fake Facebook profiles that mimic real users to test social engineering defenses. It automates cloning and simulates phishing to evaluate anti-cloning strategies. Always use verification tools and platform controls during assessments. FB Token Grabber extracts Facebook access tokens and simulates session hijacks to test session security. It automates scanning for active sessions and checks token validity after logout or password reset. FB Token Grabber also tests login approval and multi-factor authentication for session protection gaps. MadPhisher is an automated phishing kit that deploys fake Facebook login pages to capture credentials using tunneling services like Ngrok. It is intended for authorized security assessments only. Unauthorized use is illegal. FBI Brute is a brute force tool targeting specific Facebook user IDs. It uses proxy rotation to avoid IP bans and tests how many failed login attempts trigger account lockouts or alerts. Attackers use it to find out how much room they have before Facebook's security blocks them. To defend, enable login approvals and monitor for repeated failed logins from unusual locations. If you notice a spike in failed attempts, change your password and review recent logins immediately. Organizations should centralize login activity monitoring and make it part of incident response. FB Hack Tools is a lightweight collection of scripts that chain together OSINT scraping, brute attempts, and phishing setup, all directly inside Termux. It's like a Swiss Army knife for would-be Facebook attackers, letting them run full attack flows from a single terminal environment. The real danger is in how easy it makes it for beginners to launch multi-stage attacks without deep technical knowledge. FB Hack Tools can go from gathering public profile data to launching brute attempts to spinning up phishing pages, all in a matter of minutes. It's popular among those looking to automate every step of the attack chain, and it's constantly evolving as new scripts get added to the bundle. The defense lesson here is simple but powerful. Implement layered security. Multi-factor authentication, strict privacy settings, login alerts, and ongoing employee awareness training form a strong barrier. No single defense is perfect, but stacking them makes successful attacks nearly impossible. For admins, mandate security training and enforce technical controls through policy, not just good intentions. And for users, if you're ever unsure about a login or message, verify before you act. ADVFBP is a no-root Termux phishing framework specialized for Facebook. It's built to deploy fake login pages, log sessions in real time, and evaluate just how susceptible users are to modern phishing tactics. Attackers can run this from almost any Android device, making it one of the most accessible phishing frameworks out there. ADVFB is often used in penetration testing scenarios to demonstrate the real impact of phishing on an organization. But in the wrong hands, it's just another way to launch real attacks. The framework logs every credential and session cookie submitted, giving attackers instant access if users fall for it. So what's the best defense? Run regular simulated phishing campaigns to keep users sharp. Enforce strict URL verification policies, especially for those in high-risk roles. And most importantly, move towards passkeys and hardware-based authentication wherever possible. The fewer passwords in play, the less effective these frameworks become. For red teamers and admins, use frameworks like ADVFB Phish responsibly with full authorization to find your own weak points before someone else does. So what have we learned? In 2026, almost every so-called Facebook hacking tool relies on the same weak links, reused passwords, missing two-factor authentication, public data exposure, or users clicking on phishing links. If you lock down your passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, and stay on top of privacy settings, these scripts become useless. Hackers aren't magicians. They're opportunists looking for the lowest hanging fruit. One last warning. Even searching for, downloading, or running any of these tools against real Facebook accounts without explicit written authorization is illegal. And these attacks are easily traceable by Meta. Every day, accounts get permanently banned, IPs are reported, and legal consequences follow. Don't risk your future or your reputation for a shortcut that won't work in the long run. Instead, focus on learning the defense lessons from these tools and helping others do the same. That's how you build real security, not just for yourself, but for everyone you care about. Stay safe, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one.